In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Trustpilot reviews to your Wix product page. This is a great way to enhance your website by displaying genuine customer feedback directly on your product pages. Reviews from a trusted platform like Trustpilot can significantly increase your brand's credibility with potential customers. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process to integrate these valuable reviews into your Wix site seamlessly. First, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. Once you're in, select the site where you want to add the Trustpilot reviews. Choosing the correct site is crucial as this is where your changes will reflect, enhancing the credibility of your product pages with real client feedback. Next, navigate to the left corner of your website editor to find the Add Apps section. This section is your gateway to a wide range of functionalities you can incorporate into your site to enhance its features and user experience. Click on it, and you'll be ready for the next step. Now, in the search bar provided, type in Trustpilot Reviews. As you type, you should see suggestions populate below the search bar. Make sure to select the Trustpilot Reviews app. This app is essential because it serves as the bridge between Trustpilot and your Wix site, allowing you to import and display reviews from your Trustpilot account. Once the app listing loads, click on it to view more details. This information is helpful to understand what the app offers, ensuring it's the right fit for your needs. After you've reviewed the app details and you're ready to proceed, you'll find an option labeled Add to Site. Click on that button and prepare to finalize the integration. Now, a prompt will appear asking you to agree and add. This step essentially involves accepting the terms and conditions of the app. By clicking this, you're confirming that you want to add the app to your site, and soon after, the app will be automatically integrated into your website. Congratulations! The Trustpilot Reviews widget is now successfully added to your product page. You'll find it beneficial as it provides real-time feedback from your customers, thereby promoting trust and reliability for new visitors to your site. Make sure to periodically update the reviews to keep them relevant and reflective of your current customer satisfaction. This ensures your website remains up to date with positive, authentic customer engagement. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add Trustpilot reviews to your Wix product pages. Feel free to explore further customization options within the app to align it perfectly with your website's design. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy enhancing!